Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is a resistor. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys. If you are new, by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I would like to acknowledge the generosity of Tech Target for providing us the content for our video for today. techtarget.com. Thank you so much. So what is a resistor? A resistor is an electrical component that limits or regulates the flow of electrical current in an electronic circuit. Resistors can also be used to provide specific voltage for an active device such as transistor. All other factors being equal in a direct current or DC circuit, the current through a resistor is inversely proportional to its resistance and directly proportional to the voltage across it. This is well known Ohm's law. In alternating current or AC circuits, this rule is also applied as long as the resistor does not contain inductance or capacitance. Okay guys, so this is the end of our short video on the definition and what is resistor is all about. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys. If you're new, be clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. See you in the next video guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.